Elon Musk's Grok AI, integrated into X, formerly Twitter, has been making waves in the AI chatbot space. Designed to provide real-time information, witty responses, and deep insights, Grok aims to rival ChatGPT and other AI models. However, its reception in India has been mixed, with many users expressing skepticism and criticism. This article explores what Grok AI is, its features, and why it has faced backlash in India. Grok AI is an advanced AI chatbot developed by XAI, a company founded by Elon Musk. Unlike traditional chatbots, Grok is designed to be more humorous, rebellious, and informative while pulling real-time data from X. Some of its key features include: 1. Real-time knowledge. Unlike most AI models, Grok is connected to X and provides the latest information. 2. Witty and sarcastic responses. Grok is designed to have a playful, rebellious personality. 3. Integration with X. Users can interact with Grok directly within the X platform. 4. Multiple AI models. XAI continues to update and refine Grok to enhance its capabilities. Despite its advanced features, Grok AI has faced criticism from Indian users. Here are some of the key reasons. 1. Perceived bias against India. Many Indian users have accused Grok of displaying political bias and providing one-sided narratives. Some responses regarding Indian politics, history, and social issues have sparked controversy, leading to claims that the AI is programmed with a Western-centric perspective that does not fully represent India's views. 2. Inaccurate or misleading information. In a country like India, where misinformation spreads rapidly, this has led to concerns about the chatbot amplifying false narratives or presenting half-truths on sensitive topics. 3. Poor understanding of Indian culture and context. Many users feel that Grok lacks cultural awareness of India. Unlike localized AI models, Grok sometimes misinterprets Indian slang, historical contexts, or complex socio-political issues, leading to frustration among users. 4. Limited access to Indian languages. India is a multilingual country, and AI adoption depends on language accessibility. While other AI models are improving their Hindi and regional language support, Grok remains heavily English-centric. Since Grok pulls data from X, it sometimes fails to verify facts before responding, alienating a large portion of the Indian audience. 5. Competition with homegrown AI models, such as Bashini and other AI projects backed by Indian tech companies. There is growing sentiment in India to support homegrown AI models rather than relying on Western tech giants, especially after past tensions between Musk's businesses and Indian regulations. 6. Musk's history with Indian regulations. Elon Musk has had a complicated relationship with India's regulatory environment. His Tesla expansion delays, disagreements over internet regulations, and comments on free speech in India have contributed to skepticism about his products. India has been developing its own AI chatbots. Grok AI has the potential to be a powerful AI tool, but its success in India depends on addressing biases, improving language accessibility, and ensuring factual accuracy. If XAI can localize Grok to better understand Indian users and avoid political controversies, it may still find acceptance. However, as of now, Indian users remain cautious and critical of Elon Musk's AI chatbot.